Welcome to the discussion on Management Information System. My name is Dr. Devipriyan, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Herewith, we are going to discuss Unit number 1, Management Control System. That is, in this, where we specially enlighten on Management Information System. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 2nd, Semester 4, Compulsory Paper 2nd, Management Accounting. In this discussion, we may introduce concept of Management Information System. What is main objective or aim of Management Information System? Importance of Management Information System. Then, in present scenario, which devices and tools or techniques used for the Management Information System. You may know management helps to collect all resource, that is man, machine, material, methods, and that resource effectively used for the achieving organizational goal. And for this purpose, we may use management function, we may effectively implement management function, that is planning, organizing, directing, controlling, etc. There is 3 levels of management: top level management, middle level management, and operation level of management. And Management Information System helps to provide information from the lower level to top level, and the available information and data, top level management can be formulate policy, strategy, tactics for the achieving organizational goal and objective. In Management Information System, there is 3 words. First one management, second one information, and last one system. Means what? For the effective management purpose, we want to collect data, facts, figure, that is information, and there is one system. It may be man-made, manually system, or computerized system. System, there is one dilemma. System make man or man make system. Means what? How we can give input to the system, and when we give input to the system, there will be different how we can get the result or output from this system. That's why for the effective organization, for the effective management purpose, there is need proper organizational system or proper management information system. When we establish proper organizational or management information system, that time can be possible, we can take effective managerial decision. We may coordinate, we may organize, we may control overall system or overall organizational performance. We may enhance organizational efficiency, performance, and it can be possible to achieve organizational goal and objective. In present scenario, for the management information system, use technology. It may be software, some database is there, some storage is there, and through the computerized system, there may be implement, for example, SAP is there, Oracle system is there, and through this computerized system, management, top level management, organize, controlling all management activity and take effective managerial decision and can be operate, and this can be helps to operate our business in smooth manner. Hence, management information system helpful to quality analysis, cost and budget analysis, risk analysis, market analysis, inventory analysis, SWOT analysis, stakeholders analysis, and we may effectively coordinate with the management information with the computerized system. Types of management information system: decision support system is there, executive information system is there, marketing information system is there, and office automation system is there. Then advantages of management information system. Management information system useful and its benefit to organization. Through the effective management information system, we may analyze SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Then we may coordinate to all departments. We may collect data or information from the department. We may communicate to each and every stakeholders as well as department. Management information system helpful to improve efficiency and effectiveness of organization. We may provide proper guidelines or direction to each and every subordinate. We may collect timely information, reports from the concerned department. We may prepare report and present all management information system report to the higher authority, and all these things useful, helpful or benefit to formulate policy, strategy and tactics which, and it can be possible to achieve organizational goal. Then management information system effectively used in any business organization where which business spread business overall country or abroad, and through the effective management information system we may develop or grow and control our business, and these are advantages and benefit we can get from the effective information management information system. In this discussion, finally we may point out that management information system helpful for the analyze accurate information of available information. We may assess the performance of organization. We may provide proper direction to our subordinate. We may create reliability in our organization, and all these things helpful to achieve the organizational goal. In this discussion, we may introduce what is exact management information system. In present scenario, each and every business organization apply or adopt technology for the effective management information system. As like SAP software is there, Oracle software is there, and n number of software is there for the management information system. And through the effective automation, we can take managerial decision and formulate policy and achieve organizational goal. And this can be possible through the effective management information system. If for the detailed understanding, you may refer reference book which is mentioned in your SIM as well as syllabus. And if you have any doubt, query, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divip PN. My mobile number 9049081926 and email ID pareshitty4jan@redmail.com.